So industry is quite interesting in the sense that there's different organizations. The industry changes so fast. Today we get excited about, if you think about last year, everybody was excited about blockchain. Right now, everybody is excited about AI, co-pilots, generative AI. Probably by the time we're done this year, there'll be a new thing on the block. So if we're able to move really fast, I think it'd be interesting. But I think also being able to push the boundary of what the curriculum is able to do. So if the goal is to be the industry leader in terms of creating those opportunities for young engineers, I think we need to be ambitious and really push the boundary of what people are comfortable with. I was just having a conversation with a few guys a while back, and the thing I was trying to explain is, if you think about, if we bring engineers into a program, teach them, here's all the things you need to do, what happens the day you let them loose into the industry? Because we've always given them a direction, it becomes hard for them to cope. And that part of the world of being a software engineer is being curious enough to go and figure out stuff on your own. And so can we create experiences within the curriculum that force people to do that, so that we are also not spoon feeding people? We're giving them the opportunity to be curious, but also to go out there and figure stuff out. So like, take an example of some of the basics that you don't need, that are important, that you can learn on a digital platform. Can we use technology to do that? There was a time and age where the entire schools built around using desktop applications, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Today, the students who learn in most universities use Excel to learn math. They use Word to do their assignments. So they're not, I think, people evolve faster. And if you look at the next generation of people that PLP is going to serve, they're tech savvy. They're no longer typing on keyboards, they're using voice notes. So the people you serve are changing faster. Even we need to start to think about the way we teach them should also change as fast. So partnerships are interesting. I think if you look at in the tech world and the big tech companies that are sort of driving where technology is going to, they're also facing the same challenge, where they're trying to think, how do we build a pipeline for the people who can come and build the stuff that they can put out there. And they're also constantly looking at how to build those skilling engines. So I think instead of spending a lot of time rebuilding the wheel, can we partner with those organizations to say, hey, you guys have probably figured out to do this better. Can we learn from you, or can we collaborate on certain things? Of course, there's limitations to how fast people can move and how big things can grow. So I think key partnerships are interesting. So if you look at just the big tech companies alone, there's this nuance where people think that they're fierce competitors and they never talk to each other. But you spend enough time with them, you will realize that they partner a lot more than what people see on the surface. So I think even as we build these programs, can we go get aggressive about, hey, if there's things that another company has gotten very good at doing, can we partner with them? Not just as, hey, let me use your thing, but also can we learn from their mistakes? And so that it allows PLP to move faster.